Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Polytechnic Belgavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 5, memories and programmable devices. In this lecture, I am going to discuss memory accessing process, memory word size and capacity of memories with examples, programmable devices, difference between pixel logic and programmable logic, PLA and PAL architecture. Okay, so there will be a memory accessing process. There is a first memory word expansion. In memory word expansion, expanding of the word size of 16 cross 4 chips from 4 bits to 8 bits is shown in the, okay, you can see here, you can 6-bit, okay, expansion you can observe here. Okay, there are two RAM chips are used here. Okay, two RAM chips to be selected or deselected together for in order to determine depending on the inputs to read or write the operations for a common both chips. Okay, and also read or write operations together we are doing here. The address input to the two chips are common. The memory locations corresponding to the various address inputs to store the 4 higher order bits in case of the RAM 1 and for 4 lower order bits in case of the RAM 2. Okay, so each of the RAM chips stores the half of the word. Since address inputs are common, the same location chip is accessed at that time. Okay, so next, memory capacity expansion. Okay, memory capacity expansion means you are going to increase the capacity of the memory. Okay, so capacity in memory expansion, see here, so more than one memory chip can be used to expand the memory size. See here, for example, 16 cross 8 chips. To get the 32 cross 8 chip, the 32 cross 8 chip would need 5 address input lines. Okay, so 4 of the 5 address input lines other than the MSB address bit are most common. Okay, and MSB bits feeds the input of one chip directly and the input of the other chip. After inversion, the input to the two chips are common. Okay, so means the now first half of the memory locations corresponding to the address inputs 0 to 0000 to 01111. Okay, the total of 16 locations. Okay, so MSB bit is 0 with the result of RAM 1 is selected and RAM 2 is selected. Okay, so from the remaining address of the inputs 1000 to 11111, again the RAM 1 is deselected, RAM 2 is selected. Okay, the total 16 locations. Okay, overall arrangement offers the total 32 locations, 16 provided by the RAM 1 and 16 provided by the RAM 2. The total overall capacity is thus 32 cross 8. Okay, that is the memory capacity expansion you are going to do. Okay, so this is a diagram. And next, programmable logical devices. Okay, so programmable logical devices means, so IC contains large number of gates or flip-flops that can be configured by the user to perform the different functions is known as what? Programmable logical device, that is known as a PLD. PLDs are typically built with a array of AND gate and OR gates. Okay, that is shown here, input AND array and OR array output. Okay, so there will be a difference between the fixed logic and programmable logic. Fixed logic and a programmable logic, it requires long time from the design cycle to production run. It requires less time from the design cycle to production run. Okay, and also process design. Okay, means process of design validation that to be followed by the incorporation of changes in the expensive. Okay, and also inexpensive software tool can be used to quick validation of the design. Okay, and also these devices does not allow in a fixed logic circuit for quick testing and incorporation changes. These devices, programmable logical devices, allows the quick testing and in quick incorporation changes. And in fixed logic circuit, user cannot change the circuit easily. In a programmable logical device, user can change the circuit easily, often how he needed. and also it is a not flexible during the design cycle. It is a more flexible. Programmable logical circuit is more flexible, once anytime they can change. And also, okay, it is preferred choice in applications requiring the highest performance level in the fixed logic circuits. Here preferred choice in the applications requires in a quick design cycles. Okay, so that is the difference between the fixed logic and the programmable logic circuits. Okay, so next is the PLA architecture. PLA consists of two levels. Okay, two level logic gates. Okay, so there are wired and plain followed by a programmable wired or plain. Okay, and or planes. Okay, so PLA structure allows any of its inputs, okay, or their complements to be ANDed together in the AND plane, and AND plane output can be thus corresponds to an product term of the inputs. Similarly, user can configure each OR plane output to produce the logical sums, and plain output with structure PLA are suited for the implementing the logic functions of sum of product forms. Okay, the PLA, the number of AND functions independent of the number of inputs, the number of OR functions are independent of the both the number of inputs and number of AND functions. Okay, that is shown here in a PLA architecture. Okay, so according to the input PLA architecture, we have done the truth table. Okay, so there will be sum and carry will be there. Okay, you are going to make the sum and carry of this. Okay, so we'll get that. Okay, so that is the PLA architecture. Okay, so next one is the PAL architecture. PAL architecture, it consists of a programmable AND plane followed by the fixed OR plane. Okay, so you can observe the diagram. The number of products in a SOP, sum of products forms will be limited in as fixed numbers, usually 4 to 10 products or 4 terms. The number of variables in each product term limited by the number of inputs. The number of independent functions limited by the number of output pins. Okay, so here also you are going to check. Okay, you are going to get the sum of the products. Okay, so see here it consists of an input address, fixed connections or a fixed or array missing connections compared to the PLA output word and programmable and arrays. Okay, so that is the PAL architectures. In this session we have discussed programmable devices, difference between the fixed logic and programmable logic, and next PLA and PAL architectures. Okay, thank you.